Guys, how are you? Hope you are safe at home. First, I would like to beg sorry for the delay. Today we'll start with a story. There were two friends named Ravi and Ranjan. One day they went to a shop and saw the shopkeeper keeping a lot of money in his drawer. At night, they decided and went to the shop and took out the money from the drawer. They went in a field nearby and Ravi started counting the money. Once he counted and gave to Ranjan. Same time, the city police men were passing beside the shop. They saw them and caught them and asked from them that how much money they have stolen. Ravi said at the police station that he had stolen rupees 99 lakhs 99,999. Ravi said that he had stolen 99 lakhs 99,999, and Ranjan said the same amount in different way. He told 9,999,999. What Ranjan said? Ranjan said that he had stolen rupees 9,999,999. Dear students, do you know how same amount was spoken in different ways? To know it, we need to learn the topics knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. So before we come to the topic knowing our numbers, I would like to tell you two things. One is digits and other is number. What do you mean by digits? Digit is nothing but the individual numbers from 0 to 9. Individual numbers from 0 to 9 and 0 to -9. When these individual numbers are written together, for example this 1 and this 0, 1 and 0 together we wrote, then it became 10. So these individual numbers which combine together and form a bigger number which has the one value, which has only one value, that is 10. This is known as number. Same way here 1 is a digit, 2 is a digit and 5 is also a digit. But when these two are written together, these formed a single value 125, which is a number. Hope you understood digit and number. Digit is individual number, whereas number is the combination of different digits. Let us come here in knowing our numbers. Here we will see two systems. One is known as Indian system and other is known as international system. So first we will know how to name according to the Indian system of numeration. Each system contains two subtopics known as periods and place. In Indian system, the periods you are looking here, lakhs, thousands and ones period. The naming starts from the right side. As you're looking here, ones. This ones period contains 3 places. Ones period contains 3 places. 1000 periods contains 2 places, and lakhs period also contains 2 places. Ones period contains ones, tens, and hundred. Ones period contains ones, tens, and hundred places. Thousands period contains 1000 and 10,000 places, whereas lakhs period contains lakh and 10 lakh places. We used to count like this: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Once more: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Ones period contains 3 places: ones, tens, and hundred. 1000 periods contains 2 places: 1000 and 10,000. Lakh period contains 2 places: lakh and 10 lakhs. In Indian system, what are the periods? Ones, thousands, and lakhs. Ones, thousands, and lakhs. Beside it also we have, but today we will see till lakhs only. Let us write the amount which the Ravi has said. He told that 99 lakh 99,999 rupees, 99 lakhs 99,999. Here one more thing to remember is, after each period we have to put comma. So once period, if it's finished, comma, put comma here. Then this 1000 period finished, then we have to put here comma. Same process we have to apply here in the number. In ones period, how many digits are there? 3 digits and 3 places: ones, tens, and hundred. So here it finished and we have to put comma. 1000 periods, 1000 and 10,000. So it finished here, we have to put comma. Now, how we have to speak? As we have placed the comma, there only we have to speak its periods. 99 lakhs, 99 lakhs, 99 thousands, 999, 999. These are spoken together. Understood? Once more: 99 lakhs, 99,999. Understood? Let us see another system that is known as international system. In international system, periods are ones, thousands, and millions. Ones, thousands, and millions. So here in ones period, similar places are there, that is ones, tens, and hundred places. In ones period, ones, tens, and hundred places, similar to the Indian system of numeration. In 1000 periods, let us see 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. Here the 1000 periods has 3 places. 1000 periods have 3 places, that is 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. Whereas in Indian system, the thousands period were 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. This is only the difference. In Indian system, only ones period is having 3 places, that is ones, tens, and hundred, and other thousands and lakhs and crore, they are having 2 places. 1000 period contains 1000 and 10,000 places. Lakh period contains lakh and 10 lakh, and the crore period contains crore and 10 crore. Whereas in Indian system of numeration, the ones period contains 3 places, 1000 periods also contains 3 places, and million periods also contains 3 places. That means million, 10 million and 100 million. Let us write the amount which was spoken by the Ranjan. He said 9,999,999. He said rupees 9,999,999. Similar process of putting comma. This ones period over here, so put comma here. 1000 periods over here, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So this finished here, therefore we have to put the comma here. Now we have to speak, this is in million period, so we have to speak rupees 9 million, rupees 9 million 999 thousands, 999 thousands and 999. So the systems are different. One contains, in Indian system, ones contains 3 places, ones, tens and 100. 1000 periods contains 1000 and 10,000 places, and lakh period contains lakh and 10 lakh. Whereas in Indian system, ones place contains ones, tens and 100 places, 1000 periods contains 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 places, and in million period contains million, 10 million and 100 million. So these are two systems of numeration, dear students. In next video we will learn how to name the numbers in both the systems. Thank you.